You're welcome to this video. We are looking at what is airdrop, how to make money from airdrop. We are going to share about 4 airdrops here that can potentially make one a millionaire in crypto. So watch to the end. As a new subscriber, you are welcome to this channel. As a returning viewer, you are most welcome. Thank you for watching our videos. Remember to share and comment, and let me have your own view on whatever we discuss in this video, so that we can take it off from there to move to greater heights. So in this video, we are looking at airdrop. Basically, in the crypto space, what is airdrop? Airdrop is a marketing strategy often used by cryptocurrency projects to distribute free tokens or coins to a large number of holders of an existing cryptocurrency. Airdrops are typically used to create awareness, reward loyal users, or encourage people to engage with a new blockchain project. So basically, this is the summary of airdrop as I just read from here. So we have different ways that airdrop use to by many projects. For example, airdrop can be used as a marketing tool to create awareness about a particular project, which you can see here. And in summary, airdrop have been used by various projects to make prospect and impact in the community. So basically, here we are looking at about 4 airdrops. There are some of them you can mine them. Basically, airdrops can be in form of mining. It can be in form of doing some activities in a particular testnet or a particular project for you to win airdrop. But here we are looking at the ones you can mine through an app, which you believe some of them that we are going to look here, or going to check through, have already been launched. They have their mainnet. Some will be launching their mainnet soon. So the first among the airdrops we are looking at here is the Pi network. You can see it here in the. This is a Pi network. If you don't have it, I'm dropping a link below in this description and the comment section. Get it and register. Get the link and register for Pi. If you don't have Pi already have been launched. The mainnet is almost ready. It's already in the core market cap. So basically, this is how it looks like. You can see this arrow is pointing for me to mine. So this are basically how to mine the Pi by clicking on this arrow here. So before we move on, let's check out the Pi community in their Telegram group. You need to check out all these things in a particular project to know this is a Pi community here. You can see we have almost 50,000 members in this community. This their Telegram group, 50,000. If you take it up, this is a Pi Mall official. See, so this are real project with community. Is basically all this project is pushed by community. A community that makes a project. The community, you can see these are the admins. So basically, if you want to register for Pi, use the link. For example, I'm going to show us the link here on how you can register. But let us mine for today. So I see how to mine the Pi. In this particular wallet, we are going to show us how to mine the Pi. Once you get it from the Play Store, the first thing to do is register with the Pi. In this this is how the Pi link look like. You can see this is a link, https://mypi.com. Once you check the link in the description below, you get it and you click on the link, it will take you to where you register. You put in the username of that you see there. Then once you download the app, you want to mine the first time, this is why you click this place that is showing purple. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to mine again. You come and mine, and it will roll. So automatically they will pop up some adverts for you, because you have to ignore the adverts. So they're also using it as marketing strategy, because it's a well-known product. So even companies are paying to advertise on the app because of the community already. So this is how it is. For this account, you can see this account have 1,280 pi here. This pi can be sold. See, we have the chat. You can chat. You can check how secure is the account, how many members under you, and the rate of mining per hour. This is 0.03. If you want to check more, you click on these three lines top right, and you can check out the mainnet here. You can check out the browser if you want to check out everything you want to check. If you want to chat up the pi, you can chat. So this is it. These are the handles here. You can check out the Telegram handle, which we just checked out. You can check out their YouTube. Let's check out the YouTube channel on Pi, so that we see how their YouTube is. So from the link, you see, I click the link directly from the app. I take it to the YouTube. See the YouTube channel for Pi. You have 1.2 million, 1.23 million subscribers already. So it's a great project. If you're not yet in Pi, get the link and sign up at the comment section below. Now, the second one we are looking at is the eyes. This is the eyes. The eyes too is an airdrop that you can mine. This is how it would look like. You download it from Play Store. If you don't have the app, just go to Play Store. No, this is our Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, you click any of them. If it is Pi, after you register with the link in the description, once you type Pi like this, so I will need to update the app. So this is it. If you don't have it, you download it. So basically that's how it works. So the same thing applies with the eyes. So once you register with eyes, you now download the app through Play Store, App Store, and basically this is how it is. Once it opens, you do your simple verification. Maybe you type in, they ask you few questions you can do. You can type in. So this is where you click to mine too. This is where you mine. For eyes, if I want to mine, this is where you click this button here that is showing red. So this is it. Once you tap on it, that is how you mine. You mine the eyes every day, and you can pre-stake the coin. You can pre-stake it so that it will be yielding it will be yielding more for you. So basically this is the second one. Every day after 24 hours, come here and mine. The third one is Atoshi. This is the Atoshi is here. This is the app, how it looks like. The same thing, you start with the link, you download it from Play Store, and you mine every 24 hours. This is why your miner is ringing. Once it's done, it will be ash color. You just type and mine. You can equally refer anybody want to refer. This is a Chinese-based airdrop. Both Atoshi and Pi have a Chinese base, so they have community. It's a huge one already. You can even shop with Pi and Atoshi. Look at shop here. If you want to shop, you can shop with the coin that you have been mining. It also has utility. Once open, you can see different shopping. You can shop with a coin. Look at it. You can shop Atoshi wristwatch. This is it. You can shop this. Close different types of shopping with this free coin. So you see all kinds of dresses. Look at it. Even jog, Lottoday handbag, shoes. So already there's a marketplace that's coin is used already to shop online. Look at it. even phone stand, mobile phone stands. You can see even this one here. This look like power bank, HD video capture. See boot, canvas, several things you can shop with Atoshi. So grab the link and register in the comment section if you are not already mining this coin. But these are things that can make one a millionaire, that can at least can create wealth for us, free money from blockchain. Blockchain is a new project, is still getting adoption. So those who are adopted earlier will make the biggest gains. So get these airdrops and mine them every day. It's simple thing you can do within 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes in a day. The other one is Bitmama. Bitmama doesn't have an app yet, but you register with the link bitmama.io, which I'm dropping in the comment section. Bitmama is basically a crypto educational airdrop. You can see it's counting. In the next 18 minutes 41 seconds, I'll mine the next one. If you want to mine, it will educate you. It's kind of, as you want to mine a coin, you read about cryptocurrency. It educates us on cryptocurrency. Look at it here. They even have articles that they wrote. So any coin you want to mine, or anytime you want to mine, you have to read a particular topic on cryptocurrency before you mine. So it encourages education, different topics on cryptocurrency. So most of them, they have their YouTube channel, they have their Telegram group. You can check them out at your convenience. Like, let's check out for Atoshi. You can just go to the Telegram and check out for Atoshi. This is for the Pi. Just type Atoshi. After this, I will also be checking out the YouTube, sorry, the Twitter handle too. So most time you need to check out all this by yourself too and confirm. Any airdrop that you see, check out their Telegram, check out their how they call it, the X. Now it's X, only got Twitter, X. Even all of this, if you search for it here, you can see, you can look for Pi. This Pi network. So see, they have 2.6 million followers. These are real projects with enough of followers. You can see 2.6 million followers for Pi. So this is a great project. If you're not yet mining Pi, you need to mine it. You need to mine it. It's very important. It's one of the leading airdrops. See Atoshi. This is Atoshi. Atoshi have 28,000 followers. So that is it. This is my another Twitter account. I'm just following them up. So this is how it is. Before we close this video, I would like us to check out Pi in the coin market cap, because Pi, among all these ones, Pi have already launched. It's already in the market. It's already in the market. So it's something that is real. It's real. So you need to, can you see? This is it here. The same Pi that we are seeing mining have been launched. And let's check out the current price. The current price is $35. Wow. A coin that you have free. Now let's look at this account now. This account that has how many Pi here? That have mine 1,300 and something Pi. Multiplied by the current price, guy. This is free money. Some people say this is scam, that's scam. Are you sure you're not scamming yourself? Look at this, is a free money. You just mine every day. Just set alarm. Some of us use our phone for things that are not beneficial. No, this is something you just do. You just do. Yeah, as loading. Let's check it out here. This one is still loading. See the current price of Pi, guy. $35. $35. Look at it. It has done 176.64%. Look at where Pi had been listed. Pi had been listed in HTX, in Bitmart, in SuperX. These are exchanges that are trading Pi. So basically, you can see you can even go and buy Pi there. Let's check out one of them, the Bitmart. Let's go to this exchange, Bitmart, and check the price of Pi. This is an exchange. All these are real projects. So if you get value from this video, please subscribe, comment, and like, and share it to your friends. Let them benefit. You know, life is about sharing. You share. God is sharing Himself with us by creating us. We want to share with everybody. So let's check out for Pi here. Share the good news. Share the love. If you never mind Pi, it's not late. It's not late. See Pi USDT. See, this is Pi here. Can we see it here? The pair. Pi is being traded here. Pi USDT. So let's tap on it and see the price. The same price. What exactly is showing the coin market cap? See the chart. This is live trading on Pi coin. This is live trading on Pi coin. So if anybody to sell your Pi for $1, $2, it means that you want to die person your Pi. See the live trading. This is an exchange, an independent exchange, Bitmart. You can check it out. I've opened this exchange link to register with this exchange. If you want to go and buy Pi, look at. Imagine, as I said, someone having up to 1,300 and something Pi. Mine for free. 1,200 and something Pi. Let's see it first. It's loading. Let's be patient and watch it. So guys, in essence, if you are not started mining Pi, and if you have Pi, you don't refer people. You said you want to hold it to yourself. Refer people. Don't be stingy. Tell your friends to mine Pi. I'm doing this video to encourage you to mine Pi. You know, Pi is a great project. It has its own blockchain. So it's loading, but already we have seen the amount. This is the price, $35.25. So let's multiply that $35.24 and see for someone that has mined up to 1,300 Pi, as shown in this account now. Let's check it out here. 35.25 times 1,350. This is whooping amount of what? $47,000 for just this is free money in account. If you're in Nigeria, then $1 is 1,000. $1 in Nigeria is 1,000. The current price of dollar now. Let's check. All these are real. They are real, not assumption. Let's go to Binance and go to check Binance P2P. So I see live how much is $1 in Nigeria today. If you're in Nigeria, let's check it out. It's loading very soon. See, dollar is 1,137 at this price. They multiply what we have here times 1,100 and okay. We have 47,000. Let's start again. You have 35.5 times 1,350 times 1,350. This is what we gave us. That's the Pi. We have 1,350 Pi at 35 with the current price. They give us $47,000. They multiply it in Naira. Multiply by 1,135, the current price of dollar. This is 54 million, just free money. Oh wow, this is serious. Like I blow pigeon. This one will be small thing. If you never start a mine Pi, guys, start a mine them now. Remember, subscribe and share. Comment. Let's hear your thoughts. I'll be doing more videos on this and more drops that can give us millions. So thanks for watching, and let's meet at the top.